been 9 years since I've used my powers.
And this city is getting more and more dangerous every moment.
Your powers were given to you for a reason.
I can't save the world, Gabby.
But you can save your piece of it.
Martin had a dream.
We all know this city is in a crisis.
Martin had a dream.
But this neighborhood is an oasis of hope.
All my
These are
life,
my
I
streets.
want money and power.
Black Lightning is dead.
Know it died from last shot. I got 25 light on
It's
my
time that the
dresser.
people know
Yes, up a fire to the
Black Lightning is back.
on the stretcher. Diamonds at Maserati and vroom, vroom, I'm racing.
Thought you were done being a hero.
Brother needs all the exercise he can get.
Black Lightning, series premiere Tuesday, January 16th on the CW.
Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe button to see more Black Lightning.